In this short video, everything you need to know how to replace the lower engine mount on Ford Focus or motor mount, whatever you like. And before you'll get started, make sure your vehicle put on park and you apply the e-brake, your wheels chocked and lift it and put on a jack stance. Make sure you're safe to go underneath. An engine mount is located on the bottom side of the transmission and mount the transmission, the engine, to the vehicle subframe. As you can see, the bushing is completely gone and we need to replace that old motor mount. Pretty easy, straightforward, 2 bolts, and you can do it and save up to $250. Just do it by hand, you don't need any special tools for it. Okay, remove first bolt, easy as that, and same way you remove the bottom one at the subframe side. Hold the nut with the wrench and yep, that's it. Simple as that. If you first time to the channel, feel free to subscribe if you like. If you don't like it, yeah, you can go and watch more videos. This is my hobby YouTube channel, and I just like to share the things I'm doing and is my project. Okay, just with a long screwdriver, pry it out and wiggle from side to side, and as you can see, pretty simple, pretty easy way to do it. Yep. Bad motor mount symptoms is you will hear the impact noises coming from the engine bay, also excessive vibration, another symptom of the failing motor mount, and engine movement. Yep, place the new engine mount in the same way we remove the old one. Pretty easy. Just get the thicker part in first and then align with the hole at the transmission side. Yep, and simple as that. I found the torque specs at the Ford Focus forum. I will put link down in the description below, but you always should refer to the Ford official repair manuals and check that out as well. Okay, simple, and yep. Bolts are started by hand. I will go and tie them with the wrench and then torque it to recommended specifications. This video is only for demonstration and will give you general idea how to replace the motor mount. More things you know how to do it right, and remember, it's always better for you. Knowledge is the best asset you can ever have. It always will stay with you, and no matter where you're going, what time is it, you can use your knowledge and make your way out. Okay, bolts are tight. As I said, torque them properly. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer and help whatever I know. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you like, and yeah, this is my hobby YouTube channel. If you'd like to support, just go and watch more videos. Okay, thank you again, stay safe, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.